Hey everybody, and welcome to day one of the Harry Potter Advent Calendar for 2020. So that was the front of the box. Here is the back of the box. It shows most of what is in the sets for the 24 days. So when you open it up, you get a nice little snow scene with some trees and some presents there, and of course all the dates. So we're going to get into date number one, and we're going to pull that out right now. And of course, as suspected, day one is Harry Potter. It's the Harry Potter minifigure with the specific tuxedo and Yule Ball invitation that is, well, what he has for the Yule Ball, of course. So this is like the Christmas rendition edition minifigure for Harry Potter. And I love that little 3x2 tile that has the Yule Ball printed on it. And yes, it's printed on it. It's not a sticker, so that's awesome. So Harry Potter in his tuxedo with his scraggly hair, and it comes with a candle and a little table type thing. So you just sort of build these together here, and I think I'm building it wrong. But anyway, I had to look at the instructions because I can't remember just by looking at it, how this thing goes together. So it's okay. That's what instructions are for, and brains are not. Anyway, there are a few good parts in there, and we're going to look at it there. So, all in all, this is really cool. I like this little table. It's just sort of like a table on a log type of thing, and you stick the candle on the top, and that's it. Set for day one. Harry Potter minifigure, the Yule Ball invitation, and a little teeny table with a candle and some spare parts. That's awesome. Okay, Harry, don't fall over. You haven't been into the good nog yet. Anyway, off to day number two. See you tomorrow.